Are you a tan skin girl? I have something for you. As a tan skin girl, I rasa macam it's very hard to find any product that really suits or really good on my skin. But there's a magic I'm gonna show you all. A magic powder from Haus Cosmetics. So kita try. Oh my god, this is really good. Kalau macam ni baik tak payah pakai. Oh my god, this is really good. Tak payahlah makeup pakai foundation. For the daily makeup, you just need this powder. And I'm using it in code medium sun. Bestnya, tak payah pakai foundation. Jimat masa. Honestly, I love this. It really suits my skin, which is susah sangat nak cari foundation or powder yang kita tak mix or just a tone yang really suits tan skin. It really suits my skin and dia tak even whitewashing or darken my skin. Just nice. Jom kita finish up dengan lipstick pula. Look at her. This magic pinky really does magic, guys. I love.